So my message to the American consumer is this: and see a higher price tag, do not blame India. Blame the man who made a trade war out of a friendship. Can the US really afford this trade war, or is it setting itself up for economic whiplash? India and the US currently trade goods worth $130 billion, but this relationship leans heavily in India's favor. India exports goods worth $88 billion. It imports just about $42 billion. That's a $46 billion trade surplus for India. But it won't just dent India's exports, it would also raise prices in America. From gems to smartphones, everything would get more expensive for them. India exports gems and jewelry worth $8.5 billion to the US. The US is, in fact, the biggest importer of diamonds from India. India is the second largest textile exporter to the US. It sends garments worth $2.5 billion. India exports auto parts worth $2 billion to the United States. Without these, US car repairs slow down. India makes 40% of America's generic drugs. The US is the top buyer of Indian generics. In 2024 alone, India exported drugs worth $8.7 billion to the US. More than 90% of American prescriptions are for generics. This year, India emerged as the largest exporter of smartphones to the United States. 44% of all smartphones sold in the US were made in India, but that has changed. India is now edging out both China and Vietnam. So the direction is clear, and American households will be the ones picking up the bill.